Second area is leaking in this sill, probably running down the window to the bottom here, where they have towels behind the window here.
Beam?
Yeah, no problem. This is the third area. There was 3 areas actually above the window here. I'll investigate this as well. Here's the flat roof here. As you can see, looks like it has been sealed up with caulking along the joints here. But the joints seem to be sealed pretty well, which I cannot understand why water would be coming in there. It looks like it's been caulked pretty well, or maybe just sealed. Here, problem areas around here where water could be coming in, backing up in this area here. I have looked at the torch down here that goes along this wall where the slate is. Does not look like the torch down goes up far enough under the slate. Maybe running down the slate and catching the edge of this torch down. Also up above it here, as you can see, the flange here is a little open at the bottoms, where water could be getting in along this area here. As you can see, the metal work here could replace and bring the metal down farther. There is also a downpipe coming here all the way down to the roof, where the water could be flowing right into this area and causing it to leak too. It seems to only leak obviously on a heavy rain, but it backs up and then comes in a little bit later, a customer says. This is the area above the dormer here. It's caulked all the way down here. Could re-caulk it. Looks like the caulking has come off a bit along the window here. And there is one piece of slate missing on this edge here. Could re-caulk this area along this wall as well. Recommend sealing all these windows as well along the edges. All this area here, roof is leaking on the inside. It's all been sealed across the top here of the ridge. Multiple pieces of slate, as you can see, have been repaired. Missing pieces of metal been slipped in them to possibly try to seal. Skylights here. There is copper all the way around, copper metal around these skylights with I guess it's just like a blind put over top of these skylight. It's a dome skylight. With all the flashings along here. This pipe as well could be sealed here at the bottom of the flange. Underneath here, the metal flange is all open here. Needs to be adhered better to the roof line. All the way along here. All flashings on side seem to be lifted a little bit. I'm not really sure where it's coming in. Could be coming in a few areas. All flanges along the edge of this skylight are open, as you can see. Could be leaking, and this skylight could be leaking as well. Recommend replacing this skylight. It is a curb mount. Above the area that's leaking here, there is pieces of slate missing here, as you can see at the bottom. 1, 2, 3 pieces missing. This pipe could be resealed here as well. Roof in general, the slate pieces missing multiple areas around the roof. Not missing, but chipped. In here. Over here, as you can see, a lot of the slate's been replaced. Just below here, the front piece here, there's metal missing all the way around here at the front, in the front corner. Possibly might not be leaking, but at the soffit, I will get a better picture in a minute regarding this. As I was saying earlier, there's a hole up here. Metal flashing missing in here. Okay, all the way along here. Nothing there at all. Opening there. There is flashing, as you can see, at the top here. Okay, but there is nothing up here. Sorry. Right here. There's nothing here. There's no metal here at all. But there is at the top here. And the rest of it. Also missing flashing right here. Which leads around to the front of the roof as well, the front corner. Nothing there at all.